Hey YouTube, it's me again, Unbakedneptune, and this has been the very first Unbakedneptune emergency. So, the emergency is that for some reason my Xbox 360 Slim hard drive has not been working. Like every time I turn it on, like you know how where on that button it's usually green, but it's red. So like I called Microsoft and I watched a lot of YouTube videos and none of them worked. And I tried what Microsoft said and what YouTube said. Yeah, YouTube. So like what I did is I unplugged everything. Let's see mine. Alright. So now everything's unplugged. Now I do the hard drive. But don't ever lose it. So like your hard drive is on the right hand corner. It's on the right of your Xbox. And there's a little like a, I don't know, like a lever, I don't know. And if you can see it, right there, that's where the hard drive door is. So like when I take it off, see it's 250 gig. Take it out, and look, see it's perfectly fine. I can see everything. So I plug it back in. I'll plug everything back in. Oh. Oh. Hold on a minute. Hey, wire controllers. Oh. There you go. And I think the power charge. Huh. Alright, that's everything. Alright, now, watch as I turn on my Xbox. Huh. Yeah. Now, look at my, TV, look what happens. Well, sometimes their code won't appear, but like, yeah. And I think that it was a hack, or it's a sign that my account, my Xbox is on hold or something. Because I've been saying while I'm trolling stuff. So while we wait, this happened like at freaking noon, somewhere around like 12:15 maybe. Oh, there it is. All right. So look, a system update is available from Xbox Live. If you decline it, you won't be able to connect to Xbox Live until you take the update. Visit www.xbox.com/update for more info. Do you want to apply the update now? And then if I hit yes, look. Now that's not really true there, I think that it's a glitch. Look, you don't have enough storage space to take this update. Please connect an Xbox 360 storage device with at least 109 megabytes free space. For more info, visit www.xbox.com/space. .com. Yeah. Alright, if I try again, still appears. Alright, now, if I go on system settings, storage, home, my Xbox freezes for a few, like 1 minute. Got us out of here. And I had my girlfriend over, but she didn't help. See, look at this shit. It's unformatted. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. So yeah, so YouTube, I need help. Please don't troll me, please, because I want to do my because I want to make more YouTube videos with my friends. I'm really looking forward to becoming a celebrity on YouTube. So please tell me how to solve this problem. Okay? I love y'all, YouTube. And comment or write me on Xbox if you found a way, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.